All right, quick update on the treehouse project. We have got the first cross beam up. We've got 2 anchor bolts. This was our test bolt, which worked pretty well. The welds broke on the collar here. So I just, and actually poked through the back of the tree a little bit, but this is not a live tree, this is just a stump. So it was a good test. We hammered the bolt out a little bit and gave just enough width for this double beam. This was our first real one, I think, that was more successful. The weld held here. This one's not quite as far in the tree, so we got a little bit of room for the bracket to slide. You can see there's movement here. This is sort of my rigged together bracket. The one problem here is that this is too wide, so it can jump over this washer, which is obviously not good. So we're gonna find a way to tighten that up a little bit. And this is sort of our V3 version. We got these collars on Amazon, they're stainless steel. So they're not quite as, the diameter is not quite as, they're not quite as wide from a diameter standpoint, but we can double them up. So we're gonna sink the Forstner a bit further in the tree, put about 7 inches in the tree and leave about 5 out, and see how it works. So we're gonna put together the 3rd beam between that and the main tree. So this bolt is gonna go right here and support a cross beam from there over to here, where we'll have a hanger, a double hanger that holds it on. And then we'll run a big joist. We'll run our joists on top of those beams diagonally, and then put deck boards on them. So good progress so far.